What's up, you guys? It's Ethan here, and today we are going to be talking about Tesla short shorts. It took 4 months to bring it in here, and now it's the end of the year, and we're finally gonna open this thing. I already opened it earlier, but I wanted to show ya. So, let's take a look at this package, eh? Let's see. It says Tesla short shorts right here, and this is really premium shit here. Yes, made on Earth by humans. Very interesting. So, Elon has Elon hates short people who short the short shorts, the Tesla stock. So, he made this pair of shorts. And here's all the model numbers, the S, the 3, the X, and the Y. And it's very professional, as you can tell. So, short shorts people have lost over $30 billion this year. So this is kind of a little bit of a joke, and also a tax write-off. So with that, yeah. If I get 690 likes, then I will wear these. If I do not, then I will not. I just want to save you the grace of me wearing these damn short shorts. So yeah, and here's my dog. Happy New Year, and to all farewell. And he doesn't even care about the camera. Very cool.